anyways, I'm probably going to try to keep my talking to a minimal because I have a little bit of a scratchy throat. So, not going to be talking too much in this video, but this was what I made for our Valentine supper. We just kept it pretty chill. We were at home and we did it on a Friday night before Valentine's Day. And most of this stuff is pretty basic food items, but yeah, it was just pretty simple, and yet it was really delicious. And I apologize for the pictures of the table and everything to set up. It was dark, and we don't have good lighting in our house at all. And so the pictures of the table and everything set up is not good quality at all. But I guess you'll just have to bear with me on that. Anyway, so for the dessert, actually, we're not big dessert people, so we literally didn't even eat this at supper time. But we ate some later, and I just made mini cheesecakes, and I found the recipe on Pinterest. I will try to link it down below, but no promises because I'm not very good at that. And yeah, this is just a graham cracker crust with brown sugar and butter. And then I put some raspberry drizzle in there, and I was gonna do white chocolate on the top, but my white chocolate chips that I had on hand don't melt, or they don't drizzle, so that didn't work out, but it was fine. So for the baked potatoes, I decided to just put some foil on this pie plate and put the oil and salt on the potatoes and just bake them like that. So that turned out pretty good. The shrimp, I just got them all out of the bag and laid them on a paper towel and tried to get the moisture off of them for the most part, and then I put them in a bag with oil and the seasonings that I'll show here, and just tried to season them a little bit, but not too over seasoned, like not too salty and so forth. And then I will show the rest later how we finished them. So I was planning on grilling the steak and the shrimp, but it was super cold outside and snowy, and so we decided, actually my husband suggested just using the electric skillet, and here he is putting the seasonings on the steak, and he is gonna fry those on the skillet for me. frozen broccoli, just got it out and thawed it and put some seasonings on that I'll show here, and then I added some butter when it was done and as well as when it was cooking. So those are really good. That is our favorite way of fixing broccoli. Also, I had gotten 2 steaks out, but since they were so big and we were having shrimp too, we decided to just fix the one and yeah, not let it go to waste. I was going to decorate with completely different stuff, but then my husband brought home this fresh, beautiful bouquet of flowers for me, so I ended up just using that on the table. And I hope you guys have some inspiration here for any other meal that you want to make something fun, and thank you guys for watching. Also, if you enjoyed this and you aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.